Here's how to fix the Network Cable Unplugged error in Windows 10 or 11, even when a cable is clearly plugged in. Press the Windows key and search for View Network Connections. Open it and find your Ethernet adapter. Right-click it and select Properties. Find QoS Packet Scheduler in the list and click Configure. Go to the Advanced tab and find Speed and Duplex. In the Value dropdown, try 100 half duplex first and click OK. Test your connection. If it is still showing the error, go back and try 10 full duplex instead. If neither setting resolves it, open CMD as administrator and run the 2 network reset commands from the video description in sequence. Both commands reset your network stack, which clears the configuration error causing the false disconnection message. Restart your PC after running them, and the error should be gone. A tip: this error sometimes appears after a Windows update that resets adapter settings. If it comes back after future updates, repeat the speed and duplex adjustment first, since that is usually the fastest fix. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.